Hello and good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, January 19th, and I'm just going to be vlogging my day today. So right now it's currently 9:30, like a little bit past 9:30 in the morning. I have made coffee. I don't have my class today because of Martin Luther King Day being yesterday. So apparently he just canceled the lab for today. But I'm gonna do some schoolwork. I have a lot of stuff to get done today before I have to go to work at 4 o'clock. So that is the main goal, is to get all this stuff done. I really need to do laundry and clean up my room, and I want to wash my sheets. So that's on the to-do list for the day. But right now I'm gonna write in my planner the different things I have to do for this week for my school, because I like to have it written out in my planner. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm probably gonna do some laundry and just do some school, and yeah, so I will let you guys know what I do after that. Okay, so I just got out of the shower, and I thought I'd just share my little skincare with you. I do have a video of this on my channel, so if you want to go watch that, I'll leave it up in the cards. But it hasn't really changed, but I'm just going to throw it in this video just so people that are new here can see it. So the face wash that I use in the shower is just the Biore Free Your Pores Charcoal Acne Clearing Cleanser. I've used this for literally ever. So that's just my face wash. And then I'm still using the L'Oreal Hydra Fresh Toner. I like this because it's alcohol free, and it's just really good because it really moisturizes, but before your moisturizer, which I really like. And then I have added a little serum to my little routine. I literally got this one at Marshall's, just to add a little something to my routine. So this is just a vitamin C serum. There's a bunch of different benefits between the vitamin C's and whatever different serums there are, but this is just the one I use, and I really like it. And then I'm still using the classic Cetaphil moisturizer just because it works. So yeah, but I did end up working out. I didn't film it or anything, but yeah, I'm still drinking my coffee, and I also have some water. But after I do my skincare, I'm going to do a little bit of schoolwork, and then I'm going to make some lunch. So, and I don't know what I'm going to make yet, but we will see. Okay, so this is literally the worst angle in the entire world, but we're not going to talk about it. So right now I'm going to go get my sister from her friend's house like I did the last time in my last vlog. But I just thought I'd let you guys know because it's an update on my life at the moment. But yeah, it's 1:45. I have work at 4, so hopefully when I get back I can get some schoolwork done. I got the stuff done that's due tonight, but we'll see. So I will update when I get back. Okay, so I just got home from picking her up. I'm out of breath because I just came upstairs. But I took my laundry out of the dryer, so my clothes are all washed and everything, and my sheets are washed. So I'm gonna make my bed, and I'm also making some spaghetti for lunch just because it's quick and simple before I have to leave. I have to leave in an hour for work. So I'm gonna make my bed, and probably do a little schoolwork, take some notes and all that, since it's easy that I can just start before I leave. And then yeah, so I'm gonna make my bed and eat my lunch and do some notes, and then I'm gonna head to work. Okay, hi guys. So it is quite a bit later now. It's almost 11 o'clock actually. I just got home like a half an hour ago from work. I think the last thing I did was like a little time lapse of me doing my makeup, which this is what it looks like. But now I'm home. I'm probably going to do some notes and things like that, and then probably go to bed soon. I didn't really sleep well last night, so yeah, I want to try to catch up on some sleep tonight, and I'm gonna be hanging out with a friend tomorrow, so yeah, but I'm gonna do some time lapses of me doing my homework, and I hope you enjoy, and I will probably end the vlog after that, so yeah. Okay, so it is almost 2 in the morning, and I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna probably go to bed soon, but I'm currently trying to start reading more this year. It's one of my goals. So I'm gonna start reading one of my books that's on my list. I've also been using Goodreads a lot, so if you want to follow me on there, it is linked down in the description box down below, so we can connect on there and give each other book recs and all that stuff, and also all my other socials, so if you want to give those a follow, go right ahead, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.